Hey everybody, Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad here with another amazing recipe. Thank you so much for following and subscribing along. Today we're doing pork belly burnt ends. We're going to start out with a half a slab of bacon here. Now this is raw, uncured. You can use cured pork belly as well, but we have raw right here. And we're just going to cube it up, easy peasy lemon squeezy, don't overthink it. About 1.5 by 1.5 inch cubes. Just keep them evenly, that way they cook evenly, okay? Put them in our big freaking bowl, our BFB here. We're going to put some binder on them. I chose mustard today. You guys can use any other binder, molasses, olive oil, whatever you want. You just want some binder on there, okay? So that way that rib rub can stick. Today we're using the Rossarooski's honey rib rub, available at recteq.com. It's a sweet rib rub. I use it on all my ribs, my bacon, and especially these pork belly burnt ends. Make sure they're coated liberally, super even. And use a heavy hand. We're going to put them on a wire cooling rack here evenly. That way they can absorb some of that smoke. We don't want them all piled up on top of each other. We want them evenly inside of that smoker. We got the RT700 set at 250 degrees. We're going to let that bad boy go for about 4 hours. Oh man, don't they look beautiful? After 4 hours, that's what they should look like. They should be al dente, a little squishy, but not quite done. We're going to separate them into two half aluminum pans here. Oh man. Cheese and crackers, those look great. Super proud of these right now. But we're going to coat them in some butter, agave nectar, barbecue sauce, some seasoning, and some brown sugar. Okay, I use about a half a stick to a stick of butter, about a half a cup of agave, and about a full cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, and then about a quarter cup of, well, about 1/8 of a cup of Greg's 4-letter rub, and then a handful of brown sugar in each. Cover them with some foil, put them back on the smoker. We're going to turn it up to 300 degrees, and we're going to let these go between an hour and 2 hours until they've absorbed some of that delicious sweet liquid. Cheese and crackers, these look bad to the bone, y'all. But you'll know when they're done, and they're super, super squishy. Now we're going to separate them again on this wire rack evenly. That way they can get just a little bit more smoke on them, and we can glaze them up with our strawberry barbecue sauce glaze. All right, back in the smoker, 300 degrees again. Gonna put them in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let that barbecue sauce tack up, and we'll be back. Ooh yeah, with some of that strawberry glaze. We'll glaze them up. Try to get as much on there as possible. That way you get all of that delicious strawberryness, all of that sweetness on there. Let them go another 15 to 20 minutes, and they should look just like that. Perfect. Thank you, recteq. All right. These things look bad to the bone, guys. For more amazing recipes, make sure you follow me on all social media. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. To everybody out there that have subscribed and followed thus far, thank you guys so much. You guys make this so fun to do, and I really appreciate it. But from me, Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad, we'll see ya at the recteq.